G'day and welcome to a RetroTinker quick fix video. What we have here is a 2008 Ben 10 Crystalceratops. This is just something I picked up at an op shop one day because I thought it looked cool. And it looked like something I might be able to fix. See, it has wheels on the bottom, so when you roll it forward, it's supposed to spark in this section here. Unfortunately, this one seems to be worn out. Now from the other sparking toys I've fixed, like this Black Star figure, it usually just means that the flint is worn out. These figures just take a standard Zippo lighter flint, so I'm hoping that the Crystalceratops is going to be the same. Anyway, we won't know for sure until we pull it apart, so let's get to work. Aha! It took me a while to figure out how to get this thing apart. It turns out you need to warm this tail up on the back and it will pull off here and reveal the final screw. Man, that had me stumped for a little while. Cool, this appears to be the sparking mechanism here. The wheels turn, there's a small steel wheel in there, and it looks like there's a little arm there that would have the flint on it, and that was what would create the sparks. So yeah, hopefully there'll be something in there we can replace. Yeah, there's a better look at it. Yeah, I dare say from the look of that, I've just got to remove this little flint here, put in a replacement one, and I think it should spark again. Yeah, we'll see how we go. That went in without too much trouble. I think before we put it back together, we'll give this case and everything a bit of a clean up. May as well, we've got it apart. Alright, it's not looking too bad. Some of that stuff was a bit stubborn. It was just a build-up of grease and bits of the flint and steel all mixed together. But yeah, we'll put it back together now. We'll grease everything as we go with a bit of petroleum jelly, and hopefully get things back in the right order. Wish me luck. Turns out this piece of plastic in the neck was broken. So yeah, better glue that up before we put it back together. Actually, I ended up having to glue these 3. Turns out the old plastic had cracked under the pressure of these screws, so I've glued it all back together with some plastic weld. Hopefully it holds. Okay, moment of truth time. Hey! It works! Awesome! Yeah, happy with that. And there we have it. That was indeed a nice quick fix. Even if I didn't get the sparking mechanism working, it was still worth doing. Cleaning up that little gearbox and everything, it looks a lot better. But yeah, I am thrilled that I was able to get it to spark again. It is a shame this thing is not complete. It actually has like a little clamshell over the top and someone to drive it. It's actually a vehicle from the Ben 10 line, it turns out. But who knows, I could find the parts one day. Anyway, thank you for watching this quick fix video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to leave a like, leave a comment, give that old algorithm a tickle. I really do appreciate it. Also, as usual, a massive thank you to my Patreon supporters. I really appreciate your generosity. If you'd like to support the channel directly, you can find the link to my Patreon in the description. But yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.